In this video, I'll show you how to set up a workflow automation in Hubspot. First, sign into your Hubspot account. Once you're logged in, click Automation in the top navigation menu, then select Workflows. Next, click Create Workflow. Choose whether you want to start from scratch or use one of HubSpot's templates. Then, select the type of workflow you want to create, such as a contact-based, company-based, or deal-based workflow. After that, set your enrollment triggers by defining the conditions that determine when records enter the workflow. For example, you can enroll contacts based on form submissions, property values, or other criteria. Now, click the plus icon to add actions to your workflow. You can send marketing emails, create tasks, update property values, add delays, or branch the workflow using if/then logic. Continue adding actions until your automation is complete. Finally, review your workflow, test it to make sure everything works as expected, and click Review and Publish to turn it on. Your workflow will now run automatically whenever the enrollment conditions are met. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a workflow automation in HubSpot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.